Amidst growing tension between technology, privacy, and national security, the White House has issued a stark warning regarding the potential risks posed by Chinese-made connected cars. At the heart of these concerns are cars equipped with internet connectivity that offer enhanced convenience and innovative services, but also opens the door to risks that could be exploited by foreign actors. A briefing held by the Secretary of Commerce, Gina Raimondo, highlighted the administration's apprehensions on the possibility that Beijing could leverage connected cars as instruments of disruption on U.S. highways. The scenario is not just a matter of speculative fiction, but a grave national security concern that could have real-world implications for the safety and security of American citizens. Responding to these concerns, the U.S. government has initiated an investigation into the national security risks associated with foreign-made vehicles, particularly those originating from China. This probe aims to assess the extent to which internet-connected cars could be used as conduits for cyber espionage, data theft, or even remote manipulation that could lead to chaos on U.S. roads. The focus on Chinese-made connected cars stems from broader issues related to the U.S.-China relationship, including disputes over trade practices, intellectual property rights, and the security of global supply chains. The proliferation of connected cars, with their sophisticated data collection and transmission capabilities, adds a new dimension to these tensions, highlighting the intersection of technology and geopolitics. Potential risks and vulnerabilities. Connected cars collect vast amounts of data, including real-time location, driver behavior, and performance metrics. When this data is transmitted over the internet, it becomes susceptible to interception and misuse. If a foreign power, such as China, were able to gain unauthorized access to this data, or worse, take control of vehicle systems remotely, the consequences could range from privacy breaches to catastrophic incidents on public roads. Implications for consumers and manufacturers. For manufacturers, there is likely to be heightened scrutiny of Chinese cars entering the U.S. market, possibly leading to stricter regulations or import restrictions. For consumers, the concerns raised may lead to increased caution when considering the purchase of connected vehicles, especially those made abroad. As the investigation progresses, it is crucial for policymakers, manufacturers, and cybersecurity experts to collaborate closely to mitigate the risks associated with Chinese-made connected cars. This may involve developing more robust cybersecurity standards for vehicles, enhancing the security of automotive supply chains, and establishing clear protocols for responding to potential cyber threats. As cars become increasingly connected and data-driven, ensuring their safety and security in the face of global geopolitical tensions will be an ongoing priority for the U.S. government and the automotive industry alike.